Okay.
Fake records.
Hey Yardminers, we're going to do a quick rip. We found this Panasonic EASA-Phone answering machine. It's from 1980 or 1981. The model is a KXT1515. The plastic cover was missing and the cords had been cut, so it's just parts in repair anyways. So we're going to go ahead and crack her open. She's beautiful. They don't make electronics like this anymore, and I always hate to bring out or break down vintage, but I'm really curious about what's in it. The wood grain is a fake wood grain. The wood grain is like a fake kind of wood grain. I'm just going to go ahead and use the speed wrench. Safety third again. Alright. It's a pretty solid piece of machinery. Didn't even make a dent on it. Here it is. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah. Really nice. Go ahead and cut these cords so we can get a little closer. One more. Alright, so we've got a nice little power board or transformer. It is a low grade board because it is brown, but it's very old and probably has some decent precious metal content in it. Some of these capacitors have palladium and platinum in it. They're little disc capacitors. Some of them don't have any in it. And then there's one dual line or double leg. I really don't know the proper terminology for that one, but there's a couple of them there on there. But yeah, there's really only one single board, some knobs here, and then we have our kind of pulley system that runs the tape. You can kind of see these. The bands are still pretty good on these. Steel, a little bit board right here with some soldering, so not a whole lot to it. Low grade board, some wire. But yeah, that's what is in a answering machine. And for you kids out there, an answering machine is when you left the house and someone called and you didn't have voicemail, they left it on a tape. Now for you kids out there, a tape is what used to be before CDs. And for you kids out there, CDs are what was before digital. So, yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed.
Fake records.